We have some news. We have some news. Marathon Oil. What? In this video, we're going to talk about it. Marathon Oil. We're going to look at the chart because that's what I do. I'm the chart person. We're going to look at the technical analysis. Just wanted to show you this is Marathon's website. And hello, ConocoPhillips right here. This is them. So these big guys right here, what did they do? There's a deal happening with these little guys. And the little guys benefit with the stock movement when something like this happens. Why are we talking about this? Right here, Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves, we're getting into it. Look at this. ConocoPhillips to acquire Marathon Oil. Do not confuse this with Marathon Mara, the Bitcoin stock. Don't confuse. This is totally different. This is oil. Okay, oil in all stock deal. Okay, Marathon Oil rises. Okay, it rises on this news. So once again, like I'm saying, little guy, see little guy go up, boop, 8%. Big guy go down. Okay, this is the one you want to look at. Okay, whenever there's a deal, you can read about the deal here. You can pause the video and read this. I'm going to move on. Don't want to make the video too long. Let's look at the stock. Yes, yes. Come to me. Here we go. Okay, right here, analysts are saying that. Technicals, this is why I'm here, are saying that. Strong buy. Hold on. Let me move my marker. Just give me a second. All righty. I have my marker. Look at us. Nicely above everything. Nicely above 1 week, 1 month, year to date. But, we're only up 25% for the year. Well, but now, look, we have this whole new update with this, this deal. So we're above this green line, 20-day moving average, purple line, 50-day moving average, and the gold one, 200-day moving average. We're above all of that. We're looking at the daily time frame up here, left top corner. Okay, we need to look at that. Anyway, it's always good to buy some kind of support. So this 200-day moving average, yes, very nice when you're on that. It popped on this news. Wow, we're trading at $28.59. So I wanted to show you, well, what do you need to look out for? This is why you're here, right? This is why we're here. We want to know. I want to know. See this level here? Okay, we can hit our head on that. Because see, look, let's look back here. Draw the trend line so we can see what's going on. All righty, because here when we're almost at $30, so for whatever reason, the stock in the past reacted to that price. Hit our head on the ceiling and fell back down. Hit our head on the ceiling, like ceiling of a house, fell back down. Hit our head. We're too tall, it said. Boom, hit your head, fall back down. So we're going here. We're going with such velocity. So will we just pew? Like you need a lot of force to break through. Usually when you hit a level a couple of times, eventually it breaks and you can go up. Okay, so what's the next area? This right here, this right here. Let's use a trend line. Let me draw. Here we go. Don't want to make the video too long. You got to do what you got to do. Everybody's busy. Rush, 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 right? All righty, here we go. So now we're looking at that level, and then we're also looking at right here. I know I didn't draw it to the tippy top of those little green wicks. I don't want to go all the way to the tippy top, people. Okay? Because you go too high, you fall from the sky, right? This is Miss Piggy level. You go up here, you crash and burn. Got to be careful. Let's see. Let's see. You should always, it depends. If you're holding this long term, you do what you do. Okay? You do it. You get jiggy with it and all that. But if this is just some temporary money or whatever, be careful, because you got to set something in your brokerage account so it could automatically sell when you get to a certain level. Like if you want to sell a little bit here, if you want to sell in this area, not exactly at that price, because like people like me, we already know at this price, this is a sell. So you may never, sometimes the price may never get to that. You may fall a little bit short like that. So you could put some buys in around that price, like don't like what I'm trying to say, $31, $32, $33. You see, in case you don't get to 33. Cause see, like this time here, okay, it didn't even get to this level, right? See, it stopped short. And then if your sell, you plan to sell up here, it may never get to that. And then see, now you're still holding it and the thing went down. Okay. because I don't know how long it's going to be up on this news. So that's something else. So I'm not saying for you to buy this. I'm just sharing the news because I want everybody to know what's going on. Okay, not an endorsement or anything like that. Just wanted you to see. Conoco, poor little babies. Whenever it is news, the big person falls. They knew they were going to do this. This is fine with them. They're trading right here at this point. Okay, you know, it's like it is what it is. They'll live. Okay, they will live. All right, they'll catch some support and everything. But this video is not about them, but they'll be okay. Alrighty, so I just wanted to let you know these guys went ahead and what did they do? They bought these guys. Alright, so you know what they say. If you live once, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Mae West. Okay, live good. Do it right, because then once is enough. See you in the next video. Bye for now.